everyone. And so this video is about adlabs, how we use it to optimize Amazon PPC to make profitable ads. Because what we do is we help Amazon brands to double revenue, double profitability. We have multiple case studies of that where we double the revenue and double profitability. We also have case studies where increase the triple profitability in 30 days, right? So this is the process. There is a full process that we do in 24 hours to increase profitability super quick. There is a full guide on our website. You can download it in the description or on our YouTube social media links. But what we do is clean up the search terms. So today we're going to talk exactly about this section, the search term and negative term section in adlabs. So you can create an account. You can use the discount code success, so you can get 25% off here, 25% off for 3 months. So you can use this software this way, and then you go to this section. So this section is basically all the search terms. So the first point to be clear is there is a difference between search terms and targets. Targets can be keywords, products, placement, all the 3 main placement. Then there is business placement. There is technically those are not targets, but you optimize them as targets. And then you have, like, for example, loose match, narrow match in the automatic campaigns. Also, you have loose as in targeting, narrow as in targeting. You have also different type of keyword targeting. You have exact targeting, phrase targeting, broad targeting, right? You have also substitute targeting in the automatic campaigns. So these are all type of targeting that you select. Is where you have power to select. Each one of these targets then go eating search terms. So the target has a lot of different search term eating. So make sure to not confuse the two, because search terms are very specific to where the ad is showing. The target is giving the freedom based on the type of target to Amazon to eat different search terms. This is the first point. This section is good because it's giving you the view of all the search terms of all the campaigns. In Seller Central, you can see the search terms at campaign level. But if you have 100 of campaigns, you don't have all the search terms together. You can see to the account level the targets report, so all the targets. If the targets are narrow, like exact match ASIN, exact match keywords, you can optimize by those targets. But if you have wide targets, like automatic campaign targets, you need a search term report. And this is the first reason why I would say to you, install adlabs, and because you have data on big windows about search term, aggregated data, you can see search term reports. You can clean up this. You can do it manually with the loading reports, but you don't have more than, I think, 2 or 3 months of data. If you want to do good job with search term, you need years of search term, and you will see a view about how the search term are performing. And what we do with this information is, if some search term are performing very well and they're not, you can see are actively targeted in these 3 or 4 type of match, broad, exact, phrase, product targeting, we add them in that match that we are not targeting, right? If a search term is performing very bad, instead, we remove it as a negative. Because we can use negative exact ASIN, negative exact keywords, to remove this search term from the research. And you can do it in every type of campaign, manual, automatic, ASIN campaign. One thing I want to be very specific, you want a negative targeting of the ASINs in the keyword campaign, and you want to have a negative targeting of the keywords in the ASIN campaign. Because when you use targets as keywords, you're going to eat also ASINs. When you use targets as ASIN, you're going to eat also keywords. So you need to negate them. And this section is showing exactly you all the search term. You can use the filters. So as you can see, there is different filters you can select: campaign rules, target style, orders. And usually there is 2 ways to work in here. There is you put sales as 0. You order by the most click possible. And when you get a lot of clicks in the search term, you can negate or isolate it to boost it. Negate if it's bad, isolate if it's good, right? The second way is about echoes on individual search term. So you can search, you can take all the search terms, you can see the echoes that you have. If you want, you can also aggregate data. So you can open another window, put the search term, see everywhere the search term appeared in your campaigns, and see the total metrics, the total echoes. And based on that information, you can decide if you want to increase or decrease the biddings, or if you want to keep it alone. That's all. And there is a system automated in the software. You select basically here, you select all the search term, and you can negate or isolate them. So you can harvest or negate, and when you click negate, you can decide in what way to negate, in what campaign. You can click approve, and you can apply negation to all the Seller Central places that you selected. You can do it manually. Yeah, it takes too much time, especially to aggregate the data, but also it's so fast and efficient to do that. So if you use the free plan for a while, you have some features, not all, but also if you use the pay plan with the 25% discount, it's not so expensive because you pay $40 plus 1% of ad spend, and it is reasonable. It's not too much. It's very reasonable. Targeting is basically a section that you have already in Seller Central. It's okay, right? But the most important thing is not the targeting section. The most important thing is the search term section. The search term is very specific. Targets, for example, if you have a phrase target or automatic target, you can have a bad echoes on a broad target or automatic target, but have amazing search terms there. So I'm suggesting you to optimize the search term. The targets, maybe there is some specific uses, but it's not your main focus usually. Then depends on the work that you need to do. When you click the search term you want to negate, basically this is the screen that you will see. You have all the list of negation, where to negate, how to negate, what kind of group, the creation date. You can see also the past negation that you did, also in the time machine. So for example, here we negated a lot of ASINs. Manual campaign, manual target type. You select all, you click accept, and you approve them. You add them. That's all. Maybe in the next video I will talk about campaign mapping, profiles, or the other section. But for now, that's all. Now there is a different plan. So you have the free plan. It's okay. You can start here. You can do some features. For 30 days, you have the pro plan for free. But then if you don't renew it paid, you go back to the free limited to 30 days with these features. And this is the prices. That's all. So I repeat again, if you want to optimize your ads, you can do it by yourself. You can restudy this video, watch our YouTube channel. There is a playlist about adlabs. We have the best Amazon PPC guide that we have done for free on our website or on our YouTube link or Instagram link. So you can go on Instagram or YouTube and there is a link to our guides. There is a PPC system that can help you double profitability in 24 hours with easy steps. To do that, study that, right? You can also book a call with us directly. You get a free plan with me or one of my expert team members. It's a free analysis. And then, of course, if you want to work with us, of course, we can also give you a suggestion. We create a plan. So book a call, we do a free analysis, and then we give you the prices, everything. And then we also have coaching option that is cheaper. We can give you consultation about adlabs. So if you want to use adlabs efficiently, we can tell you how we do it. So you can do it by yourself. And we have 9 years of experience, managed over 600 campaigns. We do work very well. We do SEO-based campaigns because it's the best strategy right now. SEO-based campaign, we don't use too much automatic. That's all. There is our website, our YouTube, Instagram. So see you in the next call.